Just a quick video to demo my portable JavaFX testing rig with my Raspberry Pi. After much prodding, I've decided to go ahead and release this video. Hopefully it'll help someone. If you notice, here is the star of the show, the Raspberry Pi. I have it in a case that is nice and nondescript. And you'll probably notice a few things. First of all is the NMX Wi-Fi adapter, which is now configured and up and running. I wanted this to be a very portable unit, so I didn't want to always have to be tethered to a landline. If you also notice, there are a lot of long wires, and I went ahead and put these cables together, hardware hacked them, so to speak. Just did some soldering and shrink tubing and made them all nice and neat. I did leave the cables very long because I wanted to be able to, in effect, leave the Pi in a backpack or a briefcase or a bag down below the table and let it feed this, which is a nice little Atrix lap dock that I picked up for under $60 actually. By doing this, putting this all together, I have a very portable rig for testing JavaFX. Now let me cut and plug it in and start the boot sequence and we'll take a look.